Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air. Remember when I told you I was flying across the country all the way from Sun and Fun in Florida to Chino, California, a little over 2,000 miles? Well, I did it in this guy. Okay guys, this is the new Ella Evo, EVO, and it's the upgrade to the Eclipse 10 model that they had. The big difference on this guy is it's got the Rotex 915 IS engine in it. So it's 141 horsepower, fuel injected, turbocharged, and I'll tell you, this thing is a rocket ship. Ella Evo. So it does come in a kit form. The kit is a pretty easy assembly kit. It took me 3 days to put it together, believe it or not. And they do send a factory trained guy from the Ella factory in Spain out to help you out with the assembly. Some of the nice features on this guy is it's got a lot of storage. There's a storage pod here on the outside. There's a storage pod on the other side as well. And this compartment in the back is storage as well. So it's got 3 different storage compartments on it. It comes equipped with the Dynon Skyview HDX screen. The 10-inch screen comes with ADS-B in and out. Yeah, it's just an awesome, awesome ship. It's very well balanced. When you come to the back, you can see I just lightly push down on it and the nose comes off the ground. So when you're flying down the runway, that nose comes off the ground really easy, and then it's off you go. Especially again with this 915 IS engine on it. It's got crazy horsepower. Climbs about, by myself, I was climbing over 2,000 feet a minute. So pretty wild. So again, this one right now is in Chino, California. I have sold it to a gentleman already though, and so it's only going to be here for about 2, maybe 3 weeks tops. So if you do want to come check it out and take it for a test flight, I'd be happy to do it. If you come within the next couple of weeks, it'll still be here in Chino. Come on down and fly this thing.
Gyro 30 Whiskey Mike Chino Tower, caution wing turbulence from the flight of 3 Warbirds just departed, sliding 260, I'll call the left turn, roaming 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 right, you'll call my left turn, 0 Whiskey Mike. All right, going into flight mode right now. I'm going to start the pre-road. Don't forget the stick's going to come back. 160 on the rotor, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220.
North American 75% flight, additional traffic 1 mile
40.
east of Corona Airport. They're northbound.
Here comes the stick.
Over Corona 2,500. It's, I believe it's a Bonanza. I'm not talking to them. Frequency change approved. See you guys.
Okay, thanks for the help. We're looking at traffic. 75 Delta, go on. And flight push company.
Oh, that was fast.
Charlie, get road 26 left, clear for the option. Wind 250 at 1 enter.
651 kilo, Charlie 26 left.
All right, ready to go up? Yeah, let's go up. Let's go up.
Oh yeah, I love it.
It just pops right up.
Gyro 0 Whiskey Mike, left turn is prove your discretion for the lake.
Left turn, 0 Whiskey Mike. Actually, the throttle down.
Okay, on course approved.
On course, 0 Whiskey Mike. So what was this like, flying cross country in this? It was comfy. And not a big deal. How tall are you? 6'3".
You got a lot of leg room down there?
Yeah, I actually do. Yeah, it's a pretty comfy machine, you know, actually.
One check.
It's nice back here.
0 at
Yeah.
16, gust 20.
You want to fly for a minute and see?
Mooney 03.
Sure, let me,
11 o'clock and
Put my phone away.
2 miles westbound. They're climbing at a 3,100 with SoCal.
Is it neutral here?
Is what?
Is it stick neutral where it's at?
About right there.
Okay, my aircraft.
You got it. Why don't you do a little right turn?
Where do you want to go?
Over to the drug dealer house.
Okay.
And the tail camera's pointing forward, right?
It is.
Yeah, okay.
It's got a pretty wide view too, so.
Yeah.
I guess I'll let you control the altitudes.
Okay. I'll tell you what, let me take the stick for 1 sec. Your aircraft, my aircraft. Above the mountains, you get some winds.
Yeah. It's more fun in a gyro than it is in a fixed wing.
Yeah, much more.
It's not as jarring. Oh, those golfers down there just got a show.
Traffic.
Ever ride on soaring over California at Disneyland?
Oh, yeah.
This reminds me of that part when they're in Palm Springs and they hit the golf ball and it goes right by your head.
That's right.
That's funny. I thought I'd be a little bit claustrophobic back here, but it's not.
Not too bad?
No, not at all. I mean, you get a really good view.
That's good. All right, you ready for a turn?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, wow. That's a turn. Do they call that like a hammerhead or something?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I know what you're going to do.
What?
Oh. Oh, you didn't do it. I thought you were going to let it slip backwards.
No. Oh, a little backwards flying with the tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, this Ella Evo, it's a very smooth flying aircraft. I like it a lot. It was very comfortable on the 22-hour trip across the country. Well, I should say that after about 8 hours, my butt starts getting sore, but that does pretty much anywhere when you're sitting down for 8 hours. Yeah, I like this thing a lot. It's got crazy power with the Rotex 915, especially when I'm by myself. So it's a pretty awesome aircraft. I'd say it's one of the easiest gyroplanes to fly.
00 Whiskey Mike, wind 240 100, Chino Express 3007, road 26 right, clear to land.
Clear to land on 26 right, 0 Whiskey Mike. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this machine.
Hey guys, thanks for coming along this adventure with us. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Adventure Air because we're definitely going to have some more adventures. Till next time, see ya!